In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram too many attempts, please try again later error. So if you see this error, it typically occurs when you've exceeded the app's rate limits for actions like logging in, signing up, or requesting verification. And here are some things that you guys could do to prevent it. So obviously the easy thing that you guys could do is just wait it out. The most common solution is to wait. Telegram's wait limit typically resets after 24 to 48 hours, but sometimes it can be shorter, for example a few hours, or even longer depending on the action. Avoid attempting to log in or request codes during this period, as it may reset the timer again. And the next thing you want to do is you want to check your phone number. So you want to ensure you're using the correct phone number. If you recently changed numbers or you are using a virtual number, Telegram may restrict access. Try using the primary number associated with your account, please. Alright, now another thing that could be triggering this issue is your Wi-Fi network. So for example, I strongly suggest using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, because if you use mobile data, that could introduce some bugs and issues. So please just double check that you are actually on Wi-Fi and not on mobile data. And obviously you want to make sure that your network connection is good and reliable. And if you're using something like a VPN, please go ahead and turn it off, because some VPNs could actually trigger this issue, and please just keep that in mind. Now, if you use automated tools, bots, or third-party Telegram clients, your account might be temporarily restricted, so please just stick to the official Telegram app and avoid any suspicious activities. Now, the next thing I recommend that you guys do is I recommend you guys uninstall Telegram and then reinstall it. I know that sounds a little bit generic, but trust me guys, go ahead and try that first. So go ahead and just press on uninstall, and then you should be able to go ahead and reinstall it, obviously from the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on whether you're on iOS or on Android. Okay, but if you waited over 48 hours and you're still getting this issue, that is not normal. So what I recommend that you guys do at that point is to reach out to Telegram support team. So in the app, you want to go to these three bars right over here in the top right. Then you want to go ahead and select on settings. Once you're over here, go ahead and keep on scrolling down until you see help, and then go ahead and select on ask a question. Go ahead and press on ask a volunteer. From here, go ahead and press on start, and basically you want to explain to them your situation, explain to them that the error has persisted for over 48 hours, and basically they should be able to go ahead and help you. You may need to go ahead and provide your phone number, a description of the issue, and any error messages. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.